Alright, here we go. Here's the Gearhead motor. This is something that I use when I'm repairing vehicles. This right in here is a nice torque on it. We're selling these for pretty inexpensive because of this following piece right here. This thing operates perfectly 100%. Just want to draw your attention to this piece right in here. This is the power supply. This circle, this piece of plastic, this piece of plastic went all the way around and it got chipped from here to here. That's the only thing wrong with this. That's it. That's a very minor blemish. We call that a no biggie. No biggie. $7.95. All right.